Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. We just got our latest shipment from the Going Gear Monthly EDC Club. Let's see what we have inside. All right, first up we have 3 of these right here. So this is called the Light Load Towel, all new extra strength, multi-purpose, wickable, washable, super absorbent. So you get 3 of these guys. And basically it's just like a super compact towel. So let's open one up and actually see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when you take it out of the package. I'm imagining you have to add some water to it to get it to expand. So let me get some water and do that. Well, unfortunately, I just drank the last bit of water from my car, but there's a pond just down the hill. So we'll use that to see if that will expand this little cube that's supposed to turn into a towel. Let's go down there. All right, so I went down to the pond here, dunked this in the water. You can see how much bigger it is already. And then we're gonna roll this thing out. And you can see it gets larger and larger and larger. So this is, it's actually quite large for how compact it is. Look how big this thing is when you get done. So that's a nice, I don't know, I would say it's probably like, what's that, like 8 by 8, something like that. So I'm not going to use it because as far as like wipe my face and stuff, because I just put it in a pond that's got beavers and all kinds of stuff. But yes, I mean, you could use this, you know, cool yourself down at the end of the day, do cleanup if you're out there camping in the woods, bushcrafting. You want to do some, like, you know, clean up your pots and pans and stuff like that. But cool little item. I mean, very simple. Obviously, you know, from this is your full size and then this is your compact size. So that's pretty slick. Obviously, you can use this for, they have these that are basically they are made to be used as toilet paper. You could probably use this for that. I mean, you could definitely use this for that. It's definitely much more durable than like the cheap little ones that you use once. And I mean, I'll rip this here to show you it can be ripped, but I mean, it tears like a piece of cloth basically. So yeah, first item, light load packable towels. Pretty slick little thing. So those packable towels are rated as far as cost at 3 of them for $6.50. This next item is valued at $2, and it's trail butter. It's dark chocolate and coffee almond butter blend with premium espresso coffee beans, gluten-free, smooth, 200 calories, 15 milligrams of caffeine, 4 grams of sugar, 5 grams of protein, slow burning, soy-free, paleo-friendly. Basically, it's like a little treat for you while you're out there on the trail. So. Real food energy, it says there on the top. Simple item, valued at $2, but the reason I like items like this is because they throw it into these things. They're not super high cost items, but you learn about another company that's making some different products. So that's item number 2 from this month's Going Gear Monthly EDC Club. So here's our big ticket item from Hydra Knives, valued at about $97. And this is called the Hydra Knives Buzzard, from knife lovers to knife lovers. So let's open it up and take a look inside. You do get a patch, which is a pretty cool patch. You get a bit of information. You do get the, what do they call it? The cutting test proof, which basically before they put it in the box, they make sure it's nice and sharp. You get some orange paracord. There's your sheath. And here's a look at the knife. So right off the bat, you can see we've got some hex wrenches built into the handle there. And then up here as well, when you put the knife in the sheath, you still have this one exposed. So basically you can keep the sheath, you know, keep the knife in the sheath while you're doing that so you don't have to blade around. It's kind of a karambit style fixed blade. You can put your finger in there, certainly. I'm holding it like this. You also have this little divot right there, so you can choke way up to the tip and use it like that as well. Super flat edge there, no recurve or anything like that. Got some texture on the back there for your thumb, both up here and then down here as well. So I got large size hands. I'm not going to be using this to carve, you know, 3 hours of feather sticks or make bowls or spoons or anything. But as far as grabbing a hold of it and feeling like it's comfortable, yeah, I do. I feel like it definitely slice and cut with that thing pretty nicely. So I was reading the details. It says integrated fire nick. I thought that was right here because it's got this little flame there, but there's also a flame right here. So I'm assuming that's actually probably not for choking up like this, but it's to use to strike a fire steel. So yeah, it feels like the edge of that would do the job. I'll tell you one cool thing about this knife is that you could just pop that into your pocket. You know, you could wear it certainly as a neck knife with the paracord, but throw that into the knife into the sheath and then drop that in your pocket. Very slim profile, as you can see. So you're looking at, let's say, $6.50 and then $97 and then another $2. So I'll do the math here real quick. say about 105, 106 bucks, give or take, and you're paying around 60. So definitely a lot more value in this bag than what you're actually paying for it. So I do think that's a pretty cool knife. I wonder what type of uses I will find for this thing. The other items, I wouldn't say they're just like toss-in items. They've definitely got some functionality, but they're lower cost items, are definitely the high value or high cost in the in this particular month goes to this knife. So let's hear your thoughts. What do you think about this knife? What do you think about the other items? And as always, when I do these unboxing videos or unbagging videos, in this case, I can't give you a full rundown of every item and do a full review on every item for a week or something like that. But it's to let you know what's in these monthly subscription boxes. So let's hear your thoughts and your feedback in the comment section. Old Adam West Batman style right here. Thanks as always for checking out the videos. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.